Hello everyone, thank you so much for visiting my channel. I am Hugh and today I am going to show you how to create these cute and trendy images using Leonardo AI and then using CapCut to edit the videos for your Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. First, let's go to Leonardo AI. Click Get Started. If you don't have an account yet, it's very easy to sign up. You can sign up using your Apple account, Google account, Microsoft account, or your email and with a password and signed up right over here. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in with my Google account. This is the Leonardo interface. Click on Image Creation right here or over here. Click on Model Preset. Scroll down and choose Stock Photography right here. So under Model Preset, you have Stock Photography, Style, Stock Photo, Contrast, Medium. Click on More and then choose Instagram. On the prompt, I want you to put in this description. Once you have the description, click on Generate. You now have your images. Download these images by clicking on the download arrow right here. And download all of them. Alright, you have all your images downloaded. So we're going to go over to CapCut to edit these images. Alright, this is the interface of CapCut. Let's upload the images that we downloaded earlier. They're all right here. You can add these images to your timeline by clicking on the blue plus sign or just dragging it down to the timeline, just like that. Alright, you have all of these already. So I want to make these video clips a little bit shorter. So what I'm going to do is just drag it shorter. Just like that. I think it's about 2 seconds. We're going to make all these shorter like these. Then you can add transition. Click on transition right here. There's a lot of options for you to choose from. So let's choose this one. I think this one's cute. Let's check it out. That's pretty. If you don't like it, then all you have to do is just click on that transition and then just delete it. Let's choose another one. This transition is cute. Let's use this transition. Let's play it to see what it looks like. I think that's cute. And on the transition, if you move over here, you can see apply to all. If this is the transition that you want to use for your whole videos, click on apply to all. And right here, you have the same transition throughout the whole video. I think that's cute. Next, you can add music. Click on audio. And you can choose any music you like. I'm just going to search for fun, happy background music. I think that's cute. I think that's really cute. So just click on the blue plus sign to add it to our videos. Let's play the video. Alright, you just learned how to create these cute, trendy images using Leonardo AI and then using CapCut to edit these videos for your Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, or YouTube Shorts. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. And I will see you in my next video.